you the step-by-step procedure
on how to make straight-through and crossover Cat5 Ethernet cables. These are the materials that we need and we're going to use.
The gray Cat5, the RJ45, the crimping tool, the wire stripper,
Audio preview.
and the tester.
Let's start with the straight cable.
First, grab the gray Cat5 cable and the cutter or the wire stripper and place it on the cable about 1.5 inches. Then give it just a couple of turns and don't keep on twisting it because it may start cutting the wire inside. And just remove the cutter and this. Okay, so then quickly do it in the other side too.
Audio preview.
So as you can see, the wires are twisted. So just simply untwist it all like this. And if you're done, you see in the photo is the straight through cable pattern. And in this photo, the white and green come first, followed by the green one, and so on. So let's do it. Keep holding on the wire so it won't mess up. Okay, then get the creeper. And you see, there's a cutter here. So place the wires about half an inches, then cut it off.
Audio.
Then, get the RJ45 while holding on the wires. In the RJ45, this is the pin 1, that where the green and white should be placed. So, just insert the wires carefully, then push it over until they are all in place. And make sure that all the wires reach the edge of the pin so you won't start all over. And after that, get the creeper and look for the 8 pin. And insert the RJ45 inside. And just give it a squeeze. So this side is done. Okay, then quickly do the other one. So, here's the straight through Ethernet cable.
And now, let's start with the crossover cable.
Audio preview.
Okay, we're done with the straight through Ethernet cable. Here's the cable for the crossover. And we're going to apply the step that we've done on the straight cable on this side. This side is different because as you can see in the photo, the left side is same with the straight, but the right side is different because the orange and white wire come first, and so on. So let's start. We are done with the crossed over Ethernet cable now. This is same with this, while this one is same with the other. Now, we're going to test our cable using the cable tester. Let's start with a straight through. And I'm gonna get the straight because the one I'm holding is the crust. So, let's see. If all the lights on both sides from pin 1 to pin 8 lit up like this, then the cable was done correctly. If all the lights on both sides from pin 1 to pin 8 lit up like this, then the cable was done correctly.
Audio preview.
Okay, it's time to test the crossover then.
Audio preview.
So in this cable, the lights on the left side lit up simultaneously while the other side is 3, 6, 1, 7, 8, 2, 4, and 5 because it is cross. And this cable was also done correctly.
Audio preview.
Thank you for watching!
I'm Pinpin Rani.
I'm Cabrera Kim Aris.
I'm Makalipay Maria Ann.
And I'm Vergara Jenny.
Hope you like our video. Bye!